As per our ongoing DOGELON Mars cost expectation, the worth of DOGELON Mars will expanded by 213.41%, coming to $0.000000648 by end of 2025. All specialized markers sort of show that the very current opinion in a real sense is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness list is perusing 41.19, and that implies intense apprehension. Our DOGELON Mars conjecture: it's unsafe to really sell DOGELON Mars at the present time. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among DOGELON Mars cost forecasts. See the specific DOGELON Mars cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount DOGELON Mars generally is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the by and large most recent 30 days, DOGELON Mars sort of has generally diminished by 7.46%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, in a very enormous way. Toward the finish of June, the worth of DOGELON Mars expanded by 112.14% and came to approach around $0.000000379. At present, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and veracity record truly shows 41.19 intense feelings of dread. As per our conjecture, this explicitly isn't the ideal opportunity to sell DOGELON Mars. As of now, DOGELON Mars by and large is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal a major way throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023. SMA truly has shown a DOGELON Mars selling sort of sign. The cost of DOGELON Mars is presently running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.000000303 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, DOGELON Mars' most certainly momentary 50-day SMA shows as $0.000000199, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The extremely relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money truly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI generally is presently at her value. This demonstrates that the ELN market is in an impartial position. DOGELON Mars ELN value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, DOGELON Mars came to $0.000000364 when it dipped under $0.000000273. Interestingly, since January 2021, in a really significant manner, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, DOGELON Mars really is en route to passing the $0.000000390 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.000000390, it might explicitly break its sign of $0.000032630 and arrive at in a significant manner, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. DOGELON Mars will break its past all-time commonly high of $0.000032630 and generally hold somewhere in the range of $0.000000340 and $0.000000390 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, DOGELON Mars is exchanging at $0.000000178, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 1.44 M, and it makes number 195 money in the entire crypto world. DOGELON Mars value expectation 2024. There really is plausible that DOGELON Mars can generally get through the $0.000000445 boundary, and by and large hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The practically the least DOGELON Mars cost will be between $0.00000384 to $0.00000445, and the most reasonable DOGELON Mars cost will be, all things considered, consistent at around $0.00000430 toward the finish of 2024. Despite DOGELON Mars' wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy utilization, tycoon adventure commonly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecasts that DOGELON Mars will reach $0.00000445 toward the finish of 2024, or fundamentally mid-2024, in a very significant manner. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that Elon will sort of begin the year at $0.00000527 and exchange around $0.00000648. As indicated by their expectations, this would be incredibly high contrasted with commonly last year, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This generally is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin, which is genuinely critical. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast 2026. There really is an excellent opportunity that DOGELON Mars 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not most certainly arrive at its normal greatest $0.00000822 level. DOGELON Mars is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $0.00000753 or $0.00000822 in 2026, and it could, for the most part, be the extended time of DOGELON Mars. DOGELON Mars Value Expectation 2027. DOGELON Mars Value Forecast, or ELN, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it, for the most part, has the possibility to fundamentally accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in an unobtrusive manner. DOGELON Mars' cost is supposed to really outperform $0.00000822 in 2027 in a significant manner. It has been anticipated that DOGELON Mars will explicitly arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00000822, and the kind of least cost, for the most part, is supposed to generally be around $0.00000687 in the following a long time from 2027.